How to clean your ears, 5 easy home remedies. There are more reasons as to why your ears can clog. So coming to home remedies, there are many natural ingredients that you can use to clean your ears without any trouble. 1. Salt water. Mix a teaspoon of salt in half a cup of warm water until the salt gets completely dissolved. Soak a cotton ball in the solution. Tilt the affected ear upwards towards the sky. Squeeze the cotton ball to put a few drops of the saline water into the ear and stay in the same position for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, tilt your head in the opposite direction to allow the saline water to drain out. 2. Olive oil. Slightly warm up the olive oil and using a dropper, pour 3 to 4 drops in the ear. Allow it to settle for 10 minutes so that the earwax becomes soft. Tilt your head sideways and remove the oil and wax using earbuds. You can also use mustard oil. 3. Hydrogen peroxide. Mix water and hydrogen peroxide, 3%, in equal quantities. Use a dropper to drop this solution into the ears. Leave it for some time, and then tilt your head towards the opposite side to drain out the solution. Further wipe away the earwax using a clean cloth. 4. Vinegar and rubbing alcohol. Mix the two ingredients equally in a bowl. Soak the cotton ball in the solution. Then tilt the ear towards the sky and pour 2 to 3 drops of the solution from the cotton ball. Wait for 5 minutes and then tilt your head to the opposite direction so that gravity can pull out the solution as well as the wax. 5. Warm water. Make sure to use only clean and filtered water. Use a syringe drenched in hot water and pour few drops into the ear. Leave it for a minute and then drain it out by tilting your head to the other side. This has to be done under strict supervision. Without the supervision, it may cause other problems in the ear. Do you have any questions, experiences or remedies yourself you want to share? Please submit them in the comments under this video. Why not visit our website fastnaturalremedies.com for lots of tips and advice about home remedies. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the latest home remedies? In that case, like, share and click the subscribe button for more fast natural remedies.